In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Google Chrome to its default settings, which can be a helpful process if you're experiencing issues like slow performance or unusual behavior with your browser. Resetting Chrome can also remove certain custom configurations that might be causing problems, giving you a fresh start without having to reinstall the browser altogether. Let's get started. First, to access the settings page, look at the top right corner of your Chrome browser window. There, you'll see three vertical dots, often referred to as the More menu. Clicking these will open a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, you need to select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where we will be making the adjustments necessary to perform a reset. Once you're in the settings menu, your next step is to navigate to the Reset Settings option. You'll find this in the left-hand menu on the Settings Overview page. This section contains several categories, so look for the area labeled Reset Settings. It's here that you'll find the option to commence the reset process. Now, with the Reset Settings menu open, look for the option that says Restore Settings to their original defaults. Clicking on this will initiate the process of setting your Chrome back to its factory defaults. This particular action will only affect Chrome, meaning it won't change any of your system settings or other applications. Once you've selected to restore your settings, a pop-up window will appear. This is specifically designed to confirm your decision. It's a safety measure to ensure you are fully aware of the changes that are about to be made. You will see a Reset Settings button within this pop-up window. By clicking this button, you are confirming that you want Google Chrome to be reset to its original settings. And that's all there is to it. Your Google Chrome should now be fully reset to its default state, which hopefully resolves any issues you are experiencing. It's important to remember that while this process won't delete your bookmarks or saved passwords, it will clear out all of your browser settings, including saved cookies, extensions, and custom themes. You might wish to take notes on particular settings or reconfigure your extensions anew if necessary. In conclusion, resetting Google Chrome is a straightforward process that can help with a variety of browser issues. We hope this tutorial has made it clear and easy to follow. If you found this video useful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your digital tools effectively. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.